So now I think I have a very good idea about what you mean by using microbial signatures for forensic identification. So it appears there are microbes that are location specific, there are microbes that could be lifestyle specific, there are microbes that could be gender specific, and then a lot of them, and these microbes are influenced by what people do and what they are made of. So genetically someone can be carrying a microbe or a microorganism for the rest of their lives, basically because it is as a result of the person's genetics. All right. So in this part of the world, I mean, microbial forensics in itself is not has not been in the picture for a very long time, even though microbiology has been. But the field of microbial forensics was fully established after the 9/11 disaster, and then until now the field of microbial forensics have been utilized in helping the field of forensics in terms of public health epidemiology, and then a trace association of diseases, tracing of the origins of diseases, and a couple of stuff. I have an idea it is not so established in this part of the world, which is Africa, and then our present location here, Ghana. But if we are looking at it in that context, how do we think it will revolutionize forensic investigations in this part of the world? Because I'm thinking there is, for every development, for every technological development, there is the needed value and expansion. So the needed value has been seen, and then the expansion to this part of the world is also. So how do you think it will impact this part of the world?
So microbial culture techniques or technology, microbial signature techniques can lead significantly to the precision and reliability of forensic investigation, since it offers a new method or new way of identifying individuals. And it's also very significant in solving cases that involve highly decomposed remains, where traditional DNA method might not be efficient, since we all know that every individual has a unique microbial signature. So thank you.
Okay. How will it impact Africa or Ghana?
I want to add up. There are certain cases whereby the traditional DNA method might fall short, so it can be used to complement the traditional methods in solving certain crimes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, that's positive. And so in this part of the world, there are some challenges. Even in the advanced world, microbial forensic faces some challenges. So narrowing it down to this part of the world, there should definitely be some challenges. And what are some of the challenges you envisage in terms of microbial forensic and its expansion to this part of the world?
There are a lot of challenges that, narrowing it down to Ghana, I can say limited access to laboratory facilities, inadequate trained forensic scientists, lack of funding, inadequate sample collection and storage facilities, then also cultural sensitivities of individuals. So in solving these issues, we should create more laboratory facilities and also train more forensic scientists to help solve cases. Then also cultural sensitization of the public through science communication activities to educate them on the benefits and processes involved in microbial signature techniques, so that they can accept it in the society, and maybe they might not be afraid because their samples are being taken or whatsoever.
Okay, so let me come back to Florence. So do you think we could have some ethical and cultural consideration concerns with regards to microbial signatures in terms of forensic investigation in Africa? Do you think it borders about ethics?
Yeah, sure. There are a lot of ethical considerations that might be looked at when it comes to forensic investigations or collection of sample for forensic investigation. One of these ethical considerations is to obtain informed consents from the participants, and also to ensure that the required procedures for the collection of data is being followed, and also the privacy, the information